All right, guys, this is the 4 key elements of flipping a house.
So what is flipping? Do you know? Well, we've broken it down into 4 main areas: finding, funding, fixing, and flipping. So when we say flipping, we're gonna, overall, that's rehabbing. Eric, can you tell us what that means exactly?
Absolutely. So when you get into rehabbing or flipping, how does it work? Well, it's really just buying a property, fixing it up, adding value, and selling it. So the adding value part is the ARV. We'll dive into that a little bit later, but that is after repair value. That's what everything is derived from. So for instance, let's say that you have 123 Main Street, okay? And 123 Main Street is going to be purchased for $100,000. You're gonna take and you're gonna put $40,000 in the property, and then you're gonna list it for $230,000, all right? You're going to spend 6% on the fees to agents and closing costs, and then you're going to sell it for a profit. And that in itself, that profit is why so many people flip.